Have a good day and positive light to all my subscribers, Repa Peeps, ka-vapors at lalo na sa mga bago nating katambayan at kaukayan. Dito lang yan sa ating simpleng tambayan at YouTube channel, IBA. And before we start our video tutorial, today is the most special birthday celebration for my baby Damulag at Yoshihina. Happy birthday once again, and wish ko lang sa'yo always stay focused yung sa study, then yung dreams mo makukuha rin natin yung pagtutulungan ni Daddy yan. At lagi ka lang magdasal, pray to God, and syempre be always humble and kind to care. And our new video tutorial, Infinix Note 7 Lite charging page or charging problem, how to disassembly and how to fix and how to repair new charging pin of your Infinix Note 7 Lite. And if ever na related ka or kaya na-experience ka ng ating video tutorial sa Infinix Note 7 Lite charging page or charging problem, 5 hours mo lang kinarge 2% or 10% lang, 24 hours mo lang kinarge 10% to 25% lang yung nadagdag sa battery, at kung ano na mga fast charger ang ginamit mo kung gusto mong malaman at gusto mong makita at yung plakadong paggawa ng ganitong klase ng problema, dapat nakasupport at nakasubscribe, like and share, and don't forget popping our notification bell for more updated videos dito sa ating simpleng tambayan at YouTube channel, IBA. And our first step ng ating video tutorial, don't forget 100% check before disassembly and prepare always your basic and common tools at nakita naman niyo sa ating highlight screen. At kung wala talagang tools na kailangan at yung mga common tools at basic tools lang yung light ang ginagamit natin, yung complete set na tools, yung screw, metal spudger, then pwede kayong umorder through online ng charging board complete ng Infinix Note 7 Lite. I-disassembly lang ninyo, then isasalpak na lang ninyo yung charging board complete ng inyong Infinix Note 7 Lite. Helping tips at healthy guides din po yun para sa mga nagtatanong in advance na natin, baka may, and based on my experience, marami po talaga nagtatanong na wala kaming gamit na kompleto na ginagamit ko na itong mga cellphone technician. Kaya naging ano lang tayo, accurate lang kaagad yung ating pagsagot para hindi kayo mahirapan. Binigay ko na lang yung helping tips at healthy guides. And our second step ng ating video tutorial, wala naman kayong kailangan gamitan ng heat gun or hair blower dito. Kailangan lang po nyo maingat at always be careful once na babaklasin niyo yung back cover ng inyong Infinix Note 7 Lite. And always don't forget our rules. It's not my own decision, it's your own decision and it's your own risk. Kaya dapat nyo matandaan po yan. And for our important helping tips, how to remove and how to disassemble back cover of your Infinix Note 7 Lite. Once na disassemble niyo or kaya kailangan nyo baklasin or i-remove yung back cover, dapat hindi po nyo bibiglayin or kaya tatanggalin, iaangat kagad yung back cover dahil meron po yan fingerprint, ribbon, or flex na nakabit sa motherboard ng Infinix Note 7 Lite. Once na binaklas nyo agad directly na piniwersa ninyo, pwedeng madamage or kaya mapunit, maputol yung Infinix Note 7 Lite fingerprint. And now our third step ng ating video tutorial, about naman sa mga subscribers natin na complete yung mga tools, pwede naman yung i-follow yung ating video tutorial dito. Then any suggestion or question, just drop na lang po sa ating video tutorial, how to replace and how to remove and how to fix charging pin of your Infinix Note 7 Lite. And about naman sa ibang mga subscribers natin lang, basic at common tools lang yung gamit, like ng metal spudger, plastic spudger, then yung complete set na tools like ng screw. At para hindi kayo mahirapan, kailangan lang po nyo umorder through online, then i-direct po ninyo, type nyo yung model ng Infinix Note 7 Lite charging board complete, then verify po ninyo kay seller, double check ninyo para hindi magkamali rin sa seller sa in-order ninyo at maging aware din siya na tama yung maipadala sa inyo. At mas mabilis lang din niya may kakabit nyo, kailangan lang ninyong follow yung ating step by step, dahil wala na kayong gagawin kundi ilalagay lang din ninyo and need lang ninyong ilipat yung black rubber cover nakalagay doon sa dalawang parts like ng headphone at charging pin ng inyong Infinix Note 7 Lite. And it's time for our special thanks, greeting, and live shoutout. And our first shoutout yung ating ka-vapors na si Boss Waynard about sa kanyang request ng Flava 6500 pops. Yung tutorial how to disassembly, how to cleaning, and how to refill. Once na meron po tayong nakita o kaya may natanggap po ako niyan, boss, i-upload po natin yung matik na po yan. Nandito na po yan sa ating simpleng tambayan at YouTube channel, IB. And our next shoutout sa ating katambayan na si Boss Mateo Andaya about sa aking location sa Pampalay City of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Check nyo lang po ninyo yung aking contact, social media on description, and don't forget support and subscribe sa our YouTube channel, IB. And also shout out sa ating ka-vapors na si Boss Saytrap Music about sa kanyang Relax Phantom 5th generation about sa issue ng not firing, not popping, not smoking once na nag 3 bar na yung kanyang battery ng kanyang 5th generation. Then ang pwedeng gawin mo rito, boss, yung basic, i-check mo kaagad yung firing pin connection kung meron bang grounded or kaya juice stick sa loob. Then once na same at okay naman yung firing pin connection, then need mo kaagad na i-disassembly, then i-check mo lang yung loob ng motherboard or kaya yung battery. Once na walang shorted sa motherboard, possible sa battery mo, need mo lang mag-replace ng panibagong battery ng iyong Phantom 5th generation Relax pad. And next, shout-out natin yung ating ka-vapors na si Boss Lin sa Garbaria about sa kanyang disposable vape. 3 times siyang nirepillan, then last na refill niya is nagkaroon na ng problema, light lang, not firing, not smoking, not popping. Ang pwede mong gawin, boss, disassembly mo, then i-check mo kaagad yung sensor. Once na okay yung sensor at yung lights niya, yung indicator, it means na may problema yung mesh coil. Kailangan mo na magpalit ng mesh coil. If meron kang available na itatago o kaya itatabi na ubos ng disposable vape, na same ng iyong model na ginagamit mo yung may problema, pwede mong pagpalitin. Ship mo lang kagad yung mesh coil niya doon sa iyong ginagamit o kaya nasira mong disposable vape. And don't forget support and subscribe sa our YouTube channel, IB. And also shout out sa ating ka-vapors na si Boss Nelson. Thank you so much din, boss, at don't forget support, subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, IB, and always keep vape safe po sa lahat ng mga ka-vapors natin. And next, shout out natin yung ating ka-vapors na si Boss Jan Angelo Mendoza about sa kanyang Relax pad triangular. Ayun yung problema about sa cartridge or yung bala ng Relax pad device niya. Walang problema sa device. It means may problema doon sa yung triangular pads o kaya yung cartridge mo. Pwede mo linisin or cleaning mo. Once the same pa rin, may problema na po dyan. Then tinatawag nating mesh coil ng iyong triangular Relax pads. And don't forget support and subscribe ng ating YouTube channel, IB. And also shout out sa ating ka-vapors na si Boss Rudy Boy Susito about sa kanyang new cartridge o kaya yung tank ng kanyang Relax device na kabago-bago pa lang, hindi na gumana kagad. Pwede kong maibigay sa yung helping tips, boss. Linisin mo lang yung ilalim ng OCC ng iyong bagong tank or kaya binili mong bagong cartridge. Then once na nilinis mo, i-check mo kung gagana siya, at if ever na hindi talaga gumana, it means na defective o kaya damage yung bago mo nabiling pads or bala lang yung Relax device. And our last shout out for our ka-vapors, Boss Mikael Bagdar Sarian from India. I think this is foreign. Thank you so much, boss, for your sharing helping tips of complete details of Type-C charging port of Aegis V60. And don't forget support and subscribe to my YouTube channel, iVape, and don't forget always keep vape safe. And now our last step in pinali ng ating video tutorial Infinix Note 7 Lite, not charging, paid charging, how to disassembly, how to replace new charging port, 100% fixed and done. And once again, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga subscribers natin. At pakiusap lang po, don't skip the ads sa mga video tutorial natin at yung mga live shoutout po natin, ipa-plug lang natin dito sa mga video tutorial natin. At once again po, thank you so much and God bless.